Hello everyone, this is Roadrunner back with another motor vlog. So what is happening today? I'm gonna meet my friend and he's big time petrol head and I need some advice related to my bike from him, and as well as I'm gonna take his bike for a spin. So whom, what, you'll see in a few seconds. Also, I'll do announcement of my upcoming ride, a bit long-ish ride. So yeah, let's get started.
Unicorn Zombie Apocalypse.
So people, we have reached here to my friend's kind of garage. You see that thing? That's his upcoming project, and that's my friend. Say hi, AP.
Hello.
And that's his bike, all naked. Let me show you properly. He keeps doing all the work on his bike, and he's an insane fella. So you can ask anything for him. The bike is right now in all stripped down condition. आ रहा है ना?
आ रहा है, थोड़ा प्ले है.
Okay people, I couldn't ride my friend's bike because he was apparently busy, he had to go somewhere. But look what I have came to ride here. The most awaited bike of the year. I'll take a test ride. I'll not review it. I'll just take a test ride. I might give few thoughts about it. I'll not review or first ride impression, nothing. Because but it looks considerably big, huh? I never thought it's that big. It's really it looks really big. Bajaj. Let's take a test drive this thing. Oh my god, the bike is heavy. I have not thought of it being this heavy. But yeah, bike is pretty heavy. Acha. Wow. A nice manly feel to it. Shorty clutch. Legs are perfectly tucked in. My god, this bike is already ticking all the boxes. Position भी अच्छा ही है. ट्रैफिक में भी अच्छे से जा रहा है. मीक हॉर्न. अच्छा हैंडल हो रहा है. फालतू में गाली दे रहा था अमन बिना सोचे समझे. पल्सर नहीं है भाई लोग ये. मतलब आई एम 5'11" and I guess there's no problem for 6-footers because there's still place up here. So nice. Yeah. I'm finally riding a Dominar. Position is very relaxed. Let's try the acceleration of this bike. Feels planted, feels planted. Nice. No vibrations at all. Good job, Bajaj. Good job. Easy to maneuver. So yeah, very good console here. Readable, but nice brakes as well. Good. The guy is admiring the bike. It's very manageable, very easy to ride, no vibrations. It doesn't feel as desperate as Duke 390. Yeah, it has less horses as well than the Duke 390, and I'm I'm having fun flicking this. क्या है बे, देखते ही नहीं है. Mind you, it's not a review. I'm just comparing it with my bike. Comparing to CBR, the position is very relaxed. Acceleration is also a bit detuned. So, at lower speeds, it isn't jerky at all. पता है सर, लाइट चालू ही रहता है. द रिप्रेजेंटेटिव डर गया होगा. अरे बहुत रफ चला रहा हूँ गाड़ी में. बड़ा मेरे को पता नहीं क्यों, मेरे को बहुत कॉन्फिडेंस आ रहा है ये बाइक पे बैठ के. बट आई लाइक अबाउट दिस बीफियर अपीयरेंस. वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. एंड वी आर बैक. क्या बात है, क्या बात है. Well, it's a very, very nice bike. Huh? Let me just give you a walk around. Looks really beefy. Good job, Bajaj. Good job. अच्छी बाइक है बे. So hello boys, we're back again. And we are back again on the CBR. So let's hope this time the camera won't give up on me. And yeah, we just took the test ride of Dominar, which looks good to me. Actually good. There's nothing as such to complain about. I like how it handles in traffic. That I liked about it. See, CBR's throttle is jerky. I cannot just keep on playing with it without the clutch. That thing in Dominar is very well taken care of, which I liked the most about it. After that, the position is very relaxed and enough room for taller rider to tuck their legs and everything. So I just been to my friend APD's place and I had some issues related to my bike, which I needed some advice from him. And yeah, nothing, bike is all good. Yeah, why am I doing all this is because I'll be going on a ride soon, pretty soon, and for that I need my bike to be fit and fine. So that's how you know. So that ride is gonna be at least 650 to 700 kilometers one way, and plan is for a 4-day long-ish ride. But let's say I will not tell you the location as of now, and even that is dicey. Who am I going with is also not fixed yet, but we're gonna go on a ride, that's for sure. So when I'm where am I going, and when I will be leaving. I'll post everything on my other social media handles. Most probably on Instagram, because I'm more active on Instagram than any other social media. So I'll put that on Instagram, and yeah, then you'll know where am I going exactly. Camera चालू है क्या भाई? है ना भाई? I'll post it on Instagram, and my Insta stories will be flooded with the rides photos and occasional videos, if anything. So if you're not following me on Instagram, do follow me on Instagram. I post hell lot of photos on Instagram and all my updates. Like yesterday only we did a small meet and greet kind of stuff with me and all my biker friends, and few of my subscribers turned up. So something like that you might don't want to miss out on. So make sure you follow me on Instagram as well. So yeah, I guess to ride my friend's bike couldn't happen, but surprisingly I got a test ride of Dominar which I did not expected, and the bike is really good, people. The bike is really good, but long term I don't know. Reliability, I don't know. What I like is it's beefy. It's very beefy, and that's my favorite kind of curve on this road. The bike is very beefy, and I look okay on that bike. When I don't look the way I look on Duke 390. Duke 390 looks very small, very tiny in front of me. So yeah, the bike is considerably heavy as well, but that translates into good highway stability, right? So ain't that a plus point for someone like me? Yes. Now the question is, if I would have been in the market to buy a new bike, would I have gone for Dominar instead of CBR? You know, if I wanted to buy new bike, I'll wait for the first batch to come out, and if there are issues at all, if anything, mostly, you know, I believe on long-term reviews other than those first ride impressions or something. So I would have waited for that. And CBR was tried and tested, and there was every pros and cons were listed on the internet. You basically knew everything about the bike before even buying it. So CBR was a very safe bet. So I've gone for CBR then. But if you're asking me what will happen now, difficult question. Bajaj has done a good job on Dominar. I will not review the Dominar because that's not what I'm good at. You'll ask me how is it compared to CBR? Yeah, I can definitely tell you that, because I've ridden it more than, like, now it's 12,500 kilometers, and that counts, right? That counts. So yeah, people, I'll be riding. We'll be doing a very longish ride, and I'm preparing for that. So that's the reason there's no video as such. I'm looking at all the maintenance part of the bike for now. I guess that's about it for today. My friends, meeting up with my friend, unexpected Dominar's ride, and my riding plans ahead. So that's about it, people. I guess thank you for watching. Stay awesome, stay subscribed, and ride safe. People, more than 2 months and no elevator challenge is still going strong. Yeah. And this is my another camera, very cheap one. Don't buy it, it's really crap. Shit, he must be like, what the fuck is this dude?